woman. Now the question that way, all we will ask ourselves now, for know exactly what happen, for say, this small man, he go quarrel himself for that side, for Betua. Now say, so money wey we take am for do something, e no pass fine, countryman, countrywoman. The thing pass way. Small young boy so he talk say life dey over trouble ye. Say they so his brother and his sister them they hate he. And then we talk for his small brother say the way all people they hate you so the thing they make it in some way. He say even his papa them they hate he. And then they think hurry. He go decide he go drink arata chop die. That perica drink arata chop die. As I talk for una so the peripheral he go 6 feet underground. That perica don't quarrel. Na so they talk am. Countryman, countrywoman, life strong, thing they strong. But we must know say nothing, no the way reach life. Na true say life, na some simple thing if you make anyhow you quarrel, but life too will be very enjoyable. If you get problem today, just talk for yourself. Say one day na 24 hours. You dey for Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now wait for tell yourself say better days ahead. Trouble will come now for living people. So if you live pro, you always calm. Now for you, for stand firm against that problem, then you try to solve them with plenty sense. If you get wahala, you find to say maybe talk am for people that are around you. Not take a you one, begin swallow am with them. You swallow the problem because when you swallow am, if you enter a belly sote, it burst. And when you don't burst, you know man no they talk with you. The consequence will be another one for go drink arata chop die. So now so it happen for that side for Betua, whether Pedica, Injong, arata chop die, and they strip straight like ruler. Ikwara. We come on now for Betua. Countryman, countrywoman. We enter for Wala Mbenge, for Douala. What happen for Peka 10? Peka this. For Peka 10, they see some man for a house, inside a room, where he don't quarrel, and then tomorrow start come out for his skin. Now municipal police them, where they inform them, and then they inform police, and then they come now for come with their body for that man for inside house. Now wait key, now high blood pressure, now wait now the question where plenty people they see ask them now, so to go reach tomorrow, countryman, countrywoman. He just sleep so he die. When I remember that commissioner for police for that side for he took a bed for Yaoundé last week, where he too, if he sleep for your house, he quarrel. Now 3 days after, where they will go see their body, before they take a now, they go for mortuary and then they do it away, they will do it for day. Countryman, countrywoman. So now we ask me that already say, na true way we talk say, son gendarme, he be key himself for that side for a bombang. I say, yeah, na true. Son gendarme man, he take gun, shoot himself with them. Wala na palava njumbao, na palava umano, na palava wetio, we never know I'm so take a reach today. But the one who we talk now, countryman, that one for Peka this, Peka 10 for Douala, where the man he quarrel for inside a house. Another story day, countryman, countrywoman. Paka story day. The one who wanna come for unana, na so for Douala. What happen? Some small young girl, I talk say countryman, countrywoman. Small young girl, where they call it say Oscarine. What happen with Oscarine? No be peri say, he don't go bolo. He come on for bolo, he go back for us. As he go back for the antang, he reach for Fontang. What happen? For gate, when you enter gate, some man start talk for he for 9 p.m. For Lopom, na for Lopom for Douala here. He stand here, the two way the man they talk. The man tell you say this so, wait till the worry boy them for quarter. He tell the man say, he just enter the quarter and new. He the worry people say he no know no man for the quarter, so he no know the best way. He the worry am. Say he who come for morning time, fix his skin, wash arm, and wear his clothes, going for work, and then coming this time. Now so he coming. So he no know what he no know best way. He the hot time for quarter. He need to find palava for quarter. You know, get no matter with any man for quarter. That man tell you say they so are they hungry. If you give me small nyama, he tell you say okay. Wait me, I go inside house, I look at what something day, I bring up for you, me nyama. You know bring you trouble where Oscar he talk small. Na so nyanga de pass trouble the follow am for back countryman, countrywoman. Among I nen. Hey, one go in the I see Oscar just turn he back so. That man move acid where we keep our answers on gongo, throw him for Oscarine skin, throw him for his face. So the acid burn Oscarine, terribly burn him. Na grandma wa talk am, na me say lewa enter for the one. They carry Oscarine, where be the cry. They carry go for Apito, countryman, countrywoman, na so Oscarine Ikwara. Oscarine Ikwara. So take a reach now. They never know what na who is they behind that throwing of acid for Oscarine, he face, and they die for Oscarine. If I say me police them, bow them, they do their best for say may they catch that person, may talk waity happen, who send or na waity be happen, then the judgment go pass, and then Nangata one time. Because justice must take its course. Na grandma wa talk about it because that matter is wrong matter. Countryman, countrywoman, people don't know if you take upon themselves so for the Kwara people them. Joe the key people them, Joe the key man, you go the one, kill the one. Now you give life, even if now you be give life, you get right for the Kwara, not at all. Countryman, countrywoman, una no say I will tell una for Tuesdays, for the matter for some young girl for that side for Kuptamu, now for noon division for West region. What to be happen for you? What na hard they will catch you for your house, or be the worker, if you want go some play, they take you. 4 man picking them. 4 able-bodied man picking them. Bang, so. They take that girl, they put it for down, they take it Adam and Eve. They finish take all Adam and Eve, and then they quarai. They make it strip straight like ruler. Double crime. Una the rape girl, una kill him after. Now what happen? So they got rich now countryman, countrywoman, they never see the people them way, they quarrel that young girl for that side for Kuptamo. So investigation they still continue. We hope say they go put hand for that girl them, for them people them sorry. That 4 man picking the way they rape that girl for that side for Kuptamo. Countryman, countrywoman, Tori day. I said Tori day. Another Tori what to give una now. Now for that side, for Lokpom still, now for Douala. So young girl, where they with his boyfriend, they stay for one house, they get picking. Twins picking the way they picking in the 3 years. The girl now, it don't catch belly again. Una put rap on the phone at the song bonbon, no. They no want put rap on before the song bonbon. They get Jacka twins. Whether twins they did 3 years as I talk and so countryman, countrywoman. What happen? What really happen, countryman, countrywoman? The two happen I say, but Zwate, the girl don't catch mbiok. I see cash mbiok. He go tell that man say, ik de mbiok. Apparently now, that way the mbiok no be 4 months. The guy tell you say, he not be ready. Forget picking again. Say not be ready. Vraiment, say no, the thing on me, that girl, he move them mbiok. The guy say, me just born, that one picking a day 3 years. He say no, move that mbiok. The man tell me move that mbiok. I say the man they give him buru. The man not they give him buru for move them mbiok. I wanna not see move him on mbiok. Na crime. They fit judge you, they put you for ngata. So as the girl talk now, so you know, as advice, he publish them on social media where they talk the matter they pass it, countryman, countrywoman. Now what if it happen so you say me man, you say Ramumbiok, you say you know to give money, you the chapum. Why you the chapum? When are you go begin suck bonbon inside wey you no put rapun. Normally, you want some bonbon wey you no want am in enter, you must put rapun. Because if you put rapun, all man no say, you go rapun go make am, that no go, no go enter. Now so the thing happen, countryman, countrywoman. Countryman, we go for that side for Naija. Wetin happen for Naija? Now for that state for Naija, where they call it say Naija. Niger. The governor for Niger State for Nigeria, Nena Mohammed Umar Bago. He don't talk for all police people, all Kotu them. He say Kotu. Any man wanna see where he get dada, that means say that Rastafarian baby them. What they call it say dreadlock for big grammar. If you get dada, they must catch you, they cut them. All dreadlock people, they must catch them, cut them. And then if they see you with gun, your own gata, you go pass place. And then any man, after you don't pass the order, where they will see you with that dada, they go cut them and then you go pay penalty. Now so you don't give order for all them, all police them. For that side, for Niger State, for Nigeria. What will happen? If it be say that people the way they create all disorder, they catch between them, they kidnap, until they way that dada. Now the thing that way, you know, want to see dada again for his state, for that side, for Nigeria. Plenty people for Nigeria, they support the governor. They say, governor, ahead. Now good thing way you do. Why man picking go the party hate? You know correct. Man picking no support for the party hate. Now so the thing happen, countryman, a countrywoman.